I'm a fish. It's 27 feet. Yeah, something. Actually, it ate it like a weakfish would. It's fighting.
Looks like one.
What's it doing, dude?
What is it?
I don't know. I think it's a weakfish. Yeah, it is.
Nice.
Little one.
Alright, good start.
You did it. Right at the can. That might be a keeper too. Dude, again on the two colored gulp. I'm just saying. That's 4 straight.
If you start out fishing me, I might need to give that a try.
Nice, dude. Nice sea trout. First of the morning. That's definitely like 17 inches. Nice. That might be a porgy. Ah, maybe not. It's shaking now. It's a weak fish. Yeah, nicer. Let's go, dude. Not. Hell yeah, dude. Nice. Yeah, that one was. Nice. That's not a bad one, dude. Nice, dude. Nice, very nice. He ain't bad. Oh, barely hooked. That's a nice one. Ooh. I guess. It's getting like rapid fire now. Another one. And dude, they're all weak fish too. That's another nice thing. There we go, dude. That is a nice one. Stud. I guess so. I'm allowed to have one day like every 3 months where I actually do like above average. Leadered. I need to get a net. You'd think all the shit I bought for this kayak, I would get a net. A little breezy.
Yeah, I know.
Tide's starting us.
I have nothing left. You knew she was gonna happen.
Why?
I don't know. I just had that feeling. It's gonna get fucked over. Oh, 30 incher.
Let me use this guy for practice. Let me see if I can just grab them. Oh, that wasn't bad.
That's a nice one, dude.
That is a nice one.
Damn, boy. Fuck you on your life.
Stud. Stud. That's quality, dude.
You have a cool video.
Yeah, I know. On the light tackle.
Damn, bro.
I don't know, dude. I don't know.
That might be your goal.
It could be.
Dude, that's a nice one, bro. Get that one on the boat. It looks nice.
I loosened the drag a little bit, but it definitely feels nicer.
Yeah, it's a nice fish.
Oh boy.
Good one?
Yeah.
Nice fish, bro.
What do you think here? Grab the leader or try to grab him?
That's your call.
Nice. No, it's all right. It's all right. It's a nice fish, but
Is this good? Can you tell?
looks so good. Knock on wood.
Borrow some GoPro because I don't know if my colors are it.
You don't have pink?
No.
He's a...
Nice fish.
Ah, no. Come on. Come on, please. Yeah, dude. Yeah. Holy shit.
Nice one.
That's awesome. Oh my God, that's awesome. Oh, I was so worried I was gonna lose him, dude. I'm shaking a little bit.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, not five, but dude, that's a fucking stud.
Nice 3 pound.
I'm happy. Here, I'll just... That's sick, dude. That's a big week.
It's a shitty kayak.
I know how it goes. All right, let's put him back. Yeah. He's probably like 20. Oh, it's probably like 26, 27 inches.